Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I still think this is an A or possibly a 1. I still think this right here is an A of B or an A of 2. I think this needs to make an A, B, C down for the B of B, and then another push up for the wave C of B, or it's an A, B, C of 2. Either scenario, whether it's a wave 2 or whether it's a wave B, doesn't really matter. Either way, it should make pretty much the same pattern. So going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I've been saying for a while now, I think this is a wave A. I think we already have a high end for the wave B. I think this is now trending down for a wave C of wave B, just like I was explaining on the higher time frames. It should at least go down and take out the low of wave 4 before we get that bigger push up. So definitely looking for shorts in a downtrend. Heading down to the daily time frame, I think that this is just a very overlapping pattern, and I do think it is going to break out. I think there's a wave 1 right here. I think this is an ABC of 2 right here. I think this is a 1, 2, 3 of wave 3, and I think it's more likely to continue, at least on the daily and probably weekly time frame, to make lower lows, lower highs. I think we're going to go down for a wave 3 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave B. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely had a very nice end of a crescent way back up here, pretty much at the beginning of the week. Now it does have a little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape to it, so it does seem logically that today's non-farm payroll may cause it to go up. But it seems to me like even if it does go up, it's probably almost definitely just a crescent to the downtrend, just going to form another ABC. That means that probably even if it does go up, that next week it'll probably just end up continuing down. Now the thing you have to remember is that if this really is a wave 3 on the higher time frames, which it looks like it is, then it does not even have to make a proper ABC like that. Today's non-farm payroll news could literally just cause it to keep on trending down. The trend is your friend, and the trend is definitely down on the daily time frame. I'm definitely looking for shorts, at least until we get a break of starts to the upside. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is definitely all a series of lower lows, lower highs. If price does go up and break starts significantly today, then you could definitely look for longs, especially if you're a short time frame trader. But like I said, I think most likely they would just end up making a crescent to this move down, more than likely like a wave 1 or more than likely a wave 2, and then more than likely a wave 3. Now this all depends on whether we get a nice impulsive move up and a break of structure. If that does not break structure, I will not be looking for longs and I will not be going long. Instead, I would definitely continue to just look for shorts, hold on to shorts, because there is definitely a chance, because this is a wave 3 likely on the higher time frames, there's a very good chance that it just keeps on making lower lows and lower highs, and the trend is your friend, and you're definitely going to be way more profitable if you're normally trading with the trend on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.